So recently, one of my friends asked me what I take to look 10 years younger. Here's one of my secrets. Several months ago, I came across a video from Claudia Glows. Go check out her YouTube channel. It is wonderful. She was talking about a supplement company called Do Not Age. Being the healthcare expert I am, I had to research more on this company, so I reached out to them directly. They contacted me back and I got an interview with one of their marketing people. What I learned surprised me. They actually do not allow people to become affiliates unless their mission is aligned with this company. This is not just one of those companies that just is in it to try to make money. This company is actually a research company and is based in science first and then consumer products and marketing second. I am very excited to share with you some of the supplements that I've been taking for a few months now that have made a significant difference in my health. And I've got a tray here. There's some of the supplements. Oh, they're not all facing you. We've got Spermidine right here. We have NMN, which I'll do a separate video on, and Cert 6. This one is really special. And we have CA-AKG. So when you get these supplements, if you order them, you get this handy little product catalog guide. And it is a quick way, as well as researching on the company. On the left-hand side, when you go onto their website, they have research articles, they have the ingredients, they have any kind of reviews that different people have submitted. It is quite an easy website to navigate. Cert 6, that right now what I heard is there is a human trial that's going on that's an 18-month trial that should be completing in about a year from now. I think it started about 6 months ago in Singapore that has to do with this particular product. So it's not just a rodent trial, it's actually a human trial. Cert 6 is extracted from seaweed and it reduces inflammation in the body. It actually promotes DNA repair and lengthens telomeres. Telomeres are those things inside of our DNA that tell us how long our lifespan is, how long we have to live. Cert 6 is also something that I've directly been taking to address ulcerative colitis and any kind of gut flora issues that come up if I haven't been eating incredibly perfect for my system or haven't gotten the sleep I needed or have been under a lot of emotional or mental or physical stress. So Cert 6 is one that I highly recommend for inflammation. We're going to go to NMN, which I did a separate video on. NMN actually elevates the body's NAD levels, and NAD is something that is present in every single cell of our body, and it is our body's ability to have higher cellular energy. So NMN is going to give you higher energy. And actually, I have found out recently that if you take 2 of these, you're getting 1 gram. And when you first start taking one of these supplements, you want to start slow. So you want to start maybe with 1 or 2 of these supplements, depending on your body weight. But for athletes that have been taking this for energy performance, they take up to 1,500 to 2,000 milligrams or 2 grams. So I started experimenting first with taking what the instructions said for 2, and then recently I increased it to 3. And it definitely has given me more stamina to work longer into the afternoon. So I really love this product. Moving on to Spermidine. This one is really something special. So Spermidine helps remove the dead and damaged cells in the body, and it helps to slow the effects of aging. It works to protect your brain against diseases such as dementia and boost your brain power. Who doesn't need brain power boosting? So that's Spermidine. You take this particular product after dinner. So after you eat something at the end of the night. And I really think this product is fantastic. Love it. And finally, we've got the CA-AKG. Now, this product improves your body's ability to produce new cells. And as we age, we know that our ability to generate new bone cells, generate new muscle cells decreases. So this can support that. It also can help you lose weight while keeping your body healthy, and it strengthens bones. And I'm really interested in bone density. It's actually one of the things that we address inside of Years Younger. I have ordered this for some members of my family, and I have been taking one of these every day as I'm in my 40s now. And I think it's really important for me to start focusing on bone density. So that's a simple overview of a few of the products. They have, I think, 15 products, and they also have test kits that will test your NAD levels in the body and will also test your biological age. So please check out Do Not Age. And if you want to hear more about the specific energy product, NMN, that's in the next video.